Good, good morning, everyone. Well, I'm Samuel from Industrial Engineering University. This group consists of 8 people. Here I am as a moderator. Here we will discuss productivity in the pandemic era as a student. Let's just get on with the first speaker for Idan, please.
Okay. Uh, Hello, I'm Hubalila Maulidan. I'm with speaker one. This I can what reading for materi productivity in pandemic era as a student. During a pandemic, we experience significant limitations in carrying out our daily activities. As a result, some of us tend to feel unproductive and less creative when doing activities at home. So, what can we do to become productive students in the midst of this pandemic? Online lectures that are now being implemented as a measure to prevent the coronavirus bring great opportunities for students. With an online education system and all activities centered at home, students have great flexibility in their time, including free time that can be used to develop themselves. For that, you need to fill your days with several activities so that you can become a productive student while at home, such as reading books, updating CV, and portfolios, participating in an internship program, honing interests and abilities, attending online seminars, and regularly exercising.
Okay, second speaker for Hafiz. Hafiz.
Hello, my name is Abid Abdul Malik. I am mentoring presenter 3. In addition, as agent of change, students also continue to carry out social movement. In this case, as student is able to make scientific paper depending on the willingness and desire to write a scientific for the COVID-19 pandemic. Estimated that we be more creative and innovative in filling lecture online. Being a versatile student is the right profession to support future work. Therefore, take advantage of this time to develop skill in the field that you are interested in. Being a student is not easy, far from being required to maintain consistent academic grades. Efforts are also made to become active and productive student because college is very valuable and cannot be refilled.
Okay, first speaker for this.
especially amid the current condition of the COVID-19 pandemic. Almost all academic and non-academic activities are hampered.
Here I will replace Mijan because there is a need. With online learning, students tend to be more slacking off because they feel the time is more flexible than offline lecture. Even though the opportunities that we sought us to take advantage of our time can backfire, which actually make us lazy and unproductive. The impact that occurs from online is the students do not know the scope of the campus area, and it takes a long time to adapt to their surroundings, and the lack of direct socialization to other students.
Okay, next for Fikri.
Less effective time constraints. For example, lecture to credit in 1 hour for 40 minutes. Usually, students wait for the speaker officer to send their paper, bill, and presentation of the material using voice note. It takes quite a long time, especially if it is constrained by signal. Not to mention the time of attention of all the students who take the lecture. All of that is almost taken up all of the lecture time. We even had the chance to ask question, and the lecturer hasn't had time to explain.
And then for Fauji.
Lack of understanding or less clear to student because of online letters through the WhatsApp group. For example, the person is scared of the presentation only, then his paper and explain with voice note, especially if the lecturer does not re-explain the material that has been explained by the presenter. The explanation is constrained because using an online system as a distance from a room. The media also cannot share maximally unless meeting face to face.
Okay, Yuda. So the consually, please.
Therefore, we must always be introspective and maintain daily motivation through various learning activities, but academic and non-academic lecture can be done anywhere and easier. For example, if you use the WA group, it can be done even though you are still doing other activities. 1. More dynamic. 2. More relaxed. 3. More time with family. 4. Can platoon and help parent. 5. Can study with while working. I return to the moderator again.
All right. Thank you so much for our group. More or less, I have a nice day. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.